watching Triplet World.
Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Rey and Rylan, and we're playing. What's up, guys? Today we're doing the Watermelon Challenge. Watermelon Challenge. You put rubber bands on it, and then it explodes.
Alright guys, Dad here, so we're going to do the epic watermelon challenge today, and we're hoping it's going to explode everywhere. So the rules of the game is you have to try to put as many rubber bands around this watermelon as possible, and you just keep putting them until it literally collapses and explodes. You guys ready to do it?
Yeah.
High five.
High five.
Triplet World on 3. 1, 2, 3, Triplet World! Go stretch it really far with your hands.
Whoa!
Alright, put it right in the middle. Oh, that didn't work. Alright, let's do it. Put it on. Oh man, I'm not staying.
This is hard.
Oh my gosh. Don't let it fall. Don't let it fall.
Oh, it's gonna lose.
Don't let it fall.
Oh, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Ow! Just snapped my hand.
Alright guys, round 2. Our first watermelon fell off the table and cracked. So we got a new watermelon. Let's try this again. You ready, boys?
Yeah!
Let's do it.
The
Okay.
Pac-Man game got, oh, thinker!
Oh man, this is taking a long time.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Teamwork makes the dream work. Team. You know what team stands for?
What?
Together, everyone achieves more.
This is literally
Jeez. I thought that was the watermelon that exploded. These rubber bands keep snapping on me.
I'll have a burrito, Dad.
Alright, go have a burrito, and then we'll come back.
Guys, we're gonna take a break.
And our hands hurt, and we're gonna eat a burrito.
Hey, let's play King of the Watermelon.
Yeah. Oh yes. Okay.
Okay, I want to go first.
What?
Lift me
All
up,
right.
guys.
Okay.
I'm not that heavy.
Oh, you're heavy.
Yes, I'm King of the Watermelon.
No, you're
Wait,
not. I'm
what?
the king.
Hey!
I'm coming after you, Thor.
Wait.
I'm the king because
All
I
right,
have the shield.
Let's get this guy off the
Yes, I'm the king.
Let's shoot him with
Wait.
rubber bands.
No, wait.
Go. Hit.
What?
Hit.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
that hurt.
Oh, we were just kidding with
kidding.
you.
Oh,
Give him
okay.
a hug.
Group hug.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we had to take a break. We needed to get some more rubber bands. The rubber band war! Come on. Let's do it. We gotta get this done. Gotta get this done. Gotta get this done. Ow, 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 ow. Come on guys, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen tonight.
I hear it's cracking. I hear it's cracking.
We're almost running out of rubber bands again.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Oh,
But I have the
We gotta get this done. Nobody's going to sleep until we explode this watermelon. You guys are staying up. You're my slaves tonight. Super thick one. Let's. Ready, set. Man, come on. All right, come on. This has to happen tonight. This has to happen tonight. I am determined for this to happen tonight. We're running out of rubber bands again.
No, we're not. There's
We must have 400 rubber bands on here already.
And
Take a guess at how many rubber bands we have and leave it in the comments.
I get more. We still have
There's some more rubber bands.
Yeah.
Alright, we went and just picked up a rubber band ball. This is like the third time we went out to get rubber bands. We've been at this for a long time. We know for sure it's gonna happen now. Take 56. Yeah. It's going in. It's going in. Watch out, watch out. Oh, we're coming down to the last couple rubber bands, guys. Oh! We did it, guys! Whoa!
Finally!
Wait, it wasn't recording.
Don't say that.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
I heard it start to crack.
Yeah.
I braced myself. Guys, it definitely hit me. Did it hit you?
No. It didn't hit me.
It didn't hit you?
The water hit me.
I heard it start to crack. It went crack, crack, crack.
Here.
Oh man, that was nuts. Thank God this happened. Because if this didn't happen, I think I would have taken the watermelon and just smashed it on the ground. This is
A watermelon.
this is the wad right here. This is the rubber band wad right here. This is how many stinking rubber bands that this challenge took right here. That was insane, guys.
Even the bottom open. Oh, get me. Ready? Yeah. Oh,
It looks like it's gonna rain. This is round 2. Everybody throw up your 2 sign. Round 2 of the watermelon challenge. We're doing it outside. There's actually a tornado warning happening for our area right now. But we gotta get this done before the storm comes. You guys ready? Let's go. Let's do it, guys, as fast as we possibly can, all right? I'm gonna put like
tornado doesn't get us.
I'm gonna put like 3 or 4 on at a time.
I don't want the tornado to get us.
All these other rubber bands are either broken or too small. I don't know what to do. Look. Can you guys see this? And it's still not popping. It must be a bad watermelon. It looks like a mouth. Oh, 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 oh! Oh, 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 oh! Rubber bands. Round 3. Dad versus versus watermelon. Now that's how you explode a watermelon.